Hi, my name is Yashvi Veera, and I am into business. And my first encounter with Wealth Trust was when I met Sneha for an event, which was through a club where she was doing financial independence for women. And that is something that really spoke to me, because as women we don't really think about financial independence, investments, and we kind of leave that job for our fathers, brothers, or men. And that is something that I wanted to change, and I thought that this talk I have to attend, and let's see where it goes. After I attended the first event where she spoke, I just went back. I think I didn't get associated with them immediately, but the what she said, the way she explained the journey, etc., it really stayed with me. And after a few months, when I was ready to do my investment, I spoke to Sneha, and I'm like, I had attended your talk many months ago, and I think I'm ready for the investment. And then that's how the journey went through. She really took care of what are my needs, what really is my requirement, considering my lifestyle, the kind of financial point that I am at in my journey, or what are the challenges that I'm having. She also asks about the family members, who all are there, because all this matters when you are doing financial investment. It's not that okay, you just take itna paisa le lo aur wo karo. No, I think she really goes through nitty gritty. So she really wants to understand you as a person. She wants to map all the pros and cons, and then she will give you an investment that is catered for you. Specifically, and that's where she is different from the rest of the other so many financial companies that exist. And now I think it's just been that I have done so much of investment, and not only in one product, but I have done diversification of products. That is the most important thing, and coming from a mindset where I was so conservative, and from that shifting the mindset to even creating alpha and getting into the products which are super risky per se, that a layman would think, but it is actually a very tactical call, or it's a very alpha generating asset, which is really thought by Sneha and Wealth Trust team. And I've been able to take that as well. So you can understand the level of comfort I've had working with Wealth Trust, working with Sneha and the entire team as well. I mean, it's amazing experience.